Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Coffee Time with Fat. This is the series where y'all buy me a cup of coffee and I drink it from co-fi.com. Good little website. It's kind of like a crowdfunding thing, kind of like Patreon, but coffee priced thing. Link in the description. Check them out. They're good. Yeah. So this is an intro, which was done after the outro, because I have a cup of coffee here, which you'll see me prepare in a little bit. And the reason I'm doing this intro after the outro is because my phone decided to corrupt the video. I got this brand new coffee maker, and I had this whole unboxing thing, and then my phone decided to corrupt the video. So all you get to see is me making the cup of coffee and me drinking the cup of coffee, which you'll see me drinking now. Spoiler alert. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Sorry to ruin the video. By the way, yeah, enjoy the video. It's gonna get covered in the video of who sponsored this video and such. So yeah, have fun, enjoy. Woo! Alright, so it's been ran through one time, just to get rid of all additives and all that fun stuff. So kind of filled in the water goes in there, coffee goes in there, coffee ground bean things, whatever the fuck they're called, and coffee comes out here. And the coffee I'll be using today is something my friend gave me a little while ago and still going through the bag. It's called Fairtrade Dark Roast. So let's pop some of that in here. See if I can do it with one hand. I swear I'm competent some days. Don't know how much truth there is to that statement. Pardon the mess in my kitchen here. But, oh, what? That broke off. Oops. And, yeah. Let's see. Come on. I can do this. I'm not that incompetent, I swear. There we go. Got the flippy bit up. Alright. Aha! Look at that perfect job. Alright, so it's a bit dark on the camera all of a sudden, but no. Just gonna pour all of the coffee. I don't measure. I like my coffee nice and very beany. I know some people like using measuring tools and shit. That looks like that's enough, right? Yeah, so close the lid. It's a nice little $35 coffee maker thing. So then you press the on button. Press the on button. There you go. And it should start brewing. So yeah. As you can hear, it's already started. It's a nice little thing, isn't it? Yeah, check out all the Chinese food leftover things. Yeah. I need to start eating healthy. But whatever. Coffee first. So, yeah, I'm gonna make this cup of coffee. And I'm gonna drink it and I'm gonna talk to you guys for a little bit. So, yeah. See you when coffee's done. Woo. Dun, 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 dun. Slow pan. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Caprese. Coffee. I think it's done. It's making noise, but it looks pretty done. Didn't spill out anything, so positive. Woo. Alright, let's pour me a cup of coffee. And do that thing that people do. I don't understand why people do that, but whatever. There we go. Full cup of coffee. Wait. Put some creamer in there. Yeah, good old French vanilla. Woo woo. Alright. Perfect. Should be good. For a little bit. Yeah, that's nothing later, but still good till like October, November. Guess we'll find out. Smells good. Alright, sweet. We got our coffee. Okay. So I'll see you guys back at the desk. And gonna have a cup of coffee and talk with you. Howdy. Cheers. This coffee isn't too bad. Yeah, so that was a brand new coffee maker with a brand new, well, not brand, that was just about the only thing brand new. Coffee's been sitting there for about a month, 2 or so, 3, yeah, about 3 months. I don't drink much coffee, so yeah. Yeah, creamer has been there for a while as well. About 2 days after I got the coffee. I don't drink much coffee at the office, so y'all better enjoy this special occasion. But yeah, I wanted to give a shout out of this cup of coffee that I'm having to Tails Furse for buying me a cup of coffee on code-fi.com. It's kind of like a tipping service, but you know, they tip in coffees, roughly around what 1 cup of coffee would cost you. So I made a pledge, I suppose, for every time somebody donates, I'm gonna have a cup of coffee and drink it. So that's what I'm doing. I can already feel the sweat. Ugh, it's gross. Coffee makes me sweat. Slat? Really? Really, brain? We're gonna do slat. I'm gonna turn on the fan a little bit because none of y'all want to see me glowing. So yeah, exciting times. I was gone last week, as you probably knew from the other video that I put out like 2 weeks ago. But I was in the path of Hurricane Irma, so that was an exciting time. Lived through it, as you can probably tell. And yeah, that was the most interesting and intense family vacation that I've ever taken, because this is the first time any one of us have been through a hurricane, and category 5 at that. So that was exciting. As you can still tell, I'm still a little bit tan from spending almost 2 weeks in the Caribbean. That was exciting. Yeah, I was in the path of, I was just outside of Punta Cana in the Caribbean, the Dominican Republic, which is in the Caribbean, which was almost in the direct path of Hurricane Irma. that big devastating hurricane that put Florida under water, pretty much. Yeah. Anyways, so that's what my adventure has been like. I'm all dressed up because I'm at work, and I've decided and I felt like dressing up today. Like, I'm not making anyone big or anything. I wish I was, but I'm not. And that's okay. Because life isn't all about big things. Yeah. I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm also slightly ever so under weather, but yeah. Still don't know if this is technically an ad, but since technically got paid to do this video, so I'm not going to mark it as an ad, but this is not going to be a monetized video. So technically, I suppose I got sponsored by Ko-fi. Not sure how that works. I really should have, read the terms and things, terms and agreements before pressing I do for that stuff. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy this cup of coffee here. I'm gonna quit rambling at you guys for a little bit. Might do a little bit of a stream over the weekend, maybe, depending on what my schedule is like. It's been fucking hectic as hell around here in the week that I've been back. So yeah, when you're gone for 2 weeks, business things don't stop for the 2 weeks that you've stopped, especially in the field that I'm in. So yeah. Anyways, I'll stop rambling and being depressed and all that shit. Y'all have a fantastic day. Remember to stay awesome. Shout out to Tails Furse for buying me a cup of coffee. And catch you guys next video. Toodles. Remember to always stay awesome.